Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today our topic is about 10 commonly used English words. The first word is actually. This means in reality or in truth when you are trying to convince someone or trying to make someone believe that you are talking true, or for example, actually I was very busy. When you're trying to explain someone, it means in reality or truly. Okay, so our second word is probably. Probably means most likely. When you're जब आप अंदाज़ा लगा रहे होते हैं कि शायद ऐसा होगा, ऐसा हो सकता है, probably she would win the match, or probably I would go to my cousin's house. This can be the sentence. Now third one is definitely. Definitely means यकीनन, जहाँ पर आपको without any doubt, when you're sure. Sure, you can say that sure, and you can say that no doubt. Okay, so we can make the sentence she is definitely win the match. Okay, when you're sure about something. And number 4 is sometimes. Sometimes means occasionally, or not always. I sometimes go to my brother's house. I sometimes visit my grandma's house. Okay, so it means occasionally. Occasionally, or not always. And my fifth word is almost. Almost means nearly. When you think it is nearly this can happen. I almost won the match. I was about to win the match, but I didn't. But I was near to win the match. Okay, so and my third word is usually. Usually means most of the time. Okay, most of the time. I go there most of the time. I go there usually, or I go for a morning walk usually. Okay, and seventh one is exactly. When you're sure about something. Sure about something. Okay, when you're correct, you can also say that. I was exactly going to say this word, or this is exactly my point. We can make sentence like this. And eighth word is certainly. Certainly means quickly. Quickly, or we can say that by chance, or unexpectedly. Okay, the teacher came in the class suddenly. Students were not expecting the teacher in the class, but he just came in the class, entered in the class suddenly. And the ninth word is maybe. Maybe means possibly, but not sure. Maybe this is like maybe this is your room when you're not sure about something. Maybe this is your class. And the 10th word is really. Like really, you can say that when you are saying very, or you are truly, or when you're shocked. Okay, really, like I really love this color. The ice cream was really delicious. You can say this. Okay, it means very or truly. So, if you want to know more about English phrases and learn English language and new words and vocabulary, you can follow our channel, and you can subscribe to our channel so that you will be updated from all these things.